What's up guys, it's TFT's channel. Today I am hands on the Vivo X27 Pro. Totally two phones launched on Vivo. One is the base model X27, this is the Pro version X27 Pro. Okay guys, I am laterally unboxing review on this device. Okay, let's quick look this phone. The phone display is a 6.7 inches Full HD plus resolution and this phone running on Android 9 Pie. This Android 9 Pie built-in ColorOS is the latest version ColorOS. Okay, let's look the main feature. This phone is support the front-facing flash. Yes guys, this is the pop-up camera and also it support the front-facing flash. Also, it's a night light mode is available. It's not the software. It's a night light mode is also is available. Okay, let's look the back camera. Yes, this phone backside is a triple camera setups here now. It's a main camera is a 48 megapixel. So it's the same Honor V20 on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Yeah, and secondary camera is a 30 megapixel. And final camera it's a 5 megapixel depth sensor and using the live focus because it's a portrait mode. Okay, this is my small experience. This phone is 8 GB of the RAM and 250 GB of the internal storage. Okay guys, what do you think? This is my first impression, hands-on and feeling is really amazing. Okay, on 2 to 3 days I am upload the unboxing on this Vivo X27 Pro and laterly I am comparing the camera, gaming and lot of the stuffs. What do you need guys to event any more comparisons, any camera reviews? Your opinion comment in the comment section below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and coming soon more exclusive videos soon. Peace out.